I would like to now read out this small statement and seek your approval. His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama is the most famous and prominent Buddhist leader who embodies the ideals of peace, compassion, universal responsibility, religious and social harmony. His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama's selfless efforts and genuine efforts to build peace and harmony has been fully recognized by the conferment of the Nobel Peace Prize, the United States America's Congressional Gold Medal, the Templeton Award, and countless prestigious accolades, including the Medal of Honor presented by the Asian Buddhist Conference for Peace in 1979. His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama has voluntarily relinquished all his political authority, thereby living the pure life of a Buddhist spiritual leader, respected and cherished and admired by millions of Buddhists and others throughout the world. His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama has successfully represented profound and vast ancient Indian wisdom, the basis of which are karuna and ahimsa, through his interactions with community of scientists, leaders, environmentalists and others. His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama has worked his entire life in the tireless manner to bring closer not only Buddhist traditions and communities and strengthen a sense of oneness, of brotherhood and sisterhood among all followers of Lord Buddha, but also others. Therefore, I feel that the 12th General Assembly of Asian Buddhist Conference for Peace to unanimously resolve to recognize the great contributions of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama toward a global mission for peace and harmony among humankind, and particularly among the followers of the great Lord Buddha. In recognition to his immense contribution, the Asian Buddhist Conference for Peace, as I mentioned, has already recognized His Holiness's contribution and conferred upon him the Medal of Honor. But further, in recognition to his immense contribution, the Asian Buddhist Conference for Peace unanimously declared His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama to be a universal supreme leader of the Buddhist world. That with regard to the reincarnation of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, His Holiness's repeated statement since 1969, the official pronouncement of September 24, 2011, or any guidance in future is inherently discretionary. No government, no individual has the right to interfere in this matter. This religious activity has to be conducted as per the responsibilities that His Holiness the Dalai Lama enshrines and entrusts. The 12th General Assembly of ABCP recognizes the significance of the continuation of Gaden Phodrang Institution. We further declared July 6th, His Holiness's birthday, to be the Universal Day of Compassion. We request all lovers of peace, compassion and non-violence throughout the world to join us in the celebration of the Universal Day of Compassion every year on 6th of July. By celebrating compassion and non-violence, we celebrate the essence of the message of Lord Buddha and the teachings of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. We commit to building a truly harmonious and peaceful world. So this is a statement being presented by the Center. I request you to kindly approve it and with your applaud. Thank you so very much. And with this, I conclude my remarks. This is on behalf of the Indian National Centre. Of course, there will be opportunities to make further presentations in the next session in the evening. Thank you all very, very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much for Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, Deputy Secretary General of ABCP. On behalf of ABCP, to recognize and declare His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama to be a universal supreme leader of the Buddhist world, as well as he also on behalf of ABCP to declare the July 6th His Holiness' birthday to be the Universal Day of Compassion. That is very big deal and amazing. Thank you. And on behalf of the delegations from 16 countries, we also thank Mr. Sonam Wangchuk for his very commitment, as well as the very successful preparation for the 12th assembly of the ABCP. So he and his team have done a lot of homework for this successful event. Thank you very much.